guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing the infamous pop art comic book look. This look you see right here. I've been wanting to do this look for a long time. I don't know what happened, but I finally got a chance to do it. It wasn't that easy because I do not have steady hands, but you know, I tried. Can't knock it until you try it, so I went ahead and tried, and this is the final product. If you guys want to know how I achieved this look, go ahead and keep watching. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna get started with Milani Stay Put Matte Liquid Liner. I'm gonna use this and see if this works. So we're gonna start by doing the eyebrows first. Now, this is my first time doing any type of while y'all were away, I went ahead and put some yellow eyeshadow on my lids just to spice the look up a little more. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put these dots all over my face. And I'm just using a liquid lipstick. So here's the finished look. I actually had a lot of fun doing this look, but it was kind of hard. So I won't be doing it again no time soon. So comment down below and don't forget to subscribe as well as hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video.